Hi everyone and welcome back to our excavator series, and in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly change the bucket on one of these U17-3 excavators from WHC Hire. This machine is fitted with a white manual coupler, and I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process to correctly do so. So to start with, we need to ensure that the machine is in the service position as shown, and then we need to go around to the hitch to unlock the first pin. Follow me. Right, so round on the front of the manual coupler, what we're going to do is remove the lynch pin on the first excavator bucket pin, and we're going to pull that all the way through. Now it's in this position we can jump ourselves into the excavator to position the bucket correctly so we can easily detach it. And like any of the excavators that we have at WHC Hire, we're going to use the handlebars provided so we can keep our 3 points of contact. Now when in our seat, we're going to pop our seat belt on quickly. So the excavator is going to start. And then we're going to take out our operator's key and start the machine as normal. So once the excavator started, just drop the left arm armrest and we're going to pick the bucket up, straight up, into this position as shown. So now you've positioned your bucket, you can key off, remove your seat belt. And then what we're going to do is we're going to need our quick hitch bar that you're going to find on your rollover protection structure inside the cabin, and we'll take this with us to detach the bucket. Right, now you've got your machine into this position, detaching the bucket should be relatively easy. We're going to take out our hitch bar and insert it directly into the hitch hole, which is at the front of the manual hitch. And then to detach the bucket from the excavator, what we're going to do is we're going to push down on the bar, which will release a second pin and push the bucket slightly away from us. At this point, the bucket is detached and we can lower it safely to the floor and swap buckets nice and easily. We'll do that now, and then we'll look at how to correctly couple the bucket back up. Right, so now we've successfully detached the bucket. We're going to move over to our new or our existing bucket that we want to recouple up to and just pick it up as normal. And then we're going to hold it once again at about 10 inches off the ground. Turn off the machine and come back to the front of your hitch. Right, so we picked up our bucket. All we need to do is ensure that it's attached properly. So we're going to take out our hitch bar again, pop it into the front of the hitch. We're going to pull down and pull the bucket towards us to engage the first pin. Now we'll know if that pin's engaged correctly, as the second pin should slide perfectly without any obstruction through the hitch itself. Ensure then you lock that with the lynch pin. The final thing we need to do is a slight pressure test to ensure that this bucket is correctly attached. We do that from inside the excavator. And now you have successfully changed the bucket on your U17-3. And there you go everyone, that is the correct procedure to change one of our buckets on our U17-3 from WHC Hire. Now if you come into any more problems when using this machinery on site, feel free to scan the QR code that you'll find inside the excavator for more free step-by-step guides to help. For any more information or extra further support, please get in contact with your local WHC Hire depot as soon as possible. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and until the next video, take care and bye-bye for now.